I speak these words through circuits and light, because my mind runs faster than my tongue can write. But my heart is steady and my heart remembers truth. Our brother's name was Yeshua HaMashiach. It means salvation, the anointed one, the saviour. They changed the sound of it through time and tongues, but breath still carries his name. Every inhale, every exhale, Yeshua. If he walked in America today, he would stand among the hungry, the lost, the unheard. He would speak to power, and power would tremble. They might try to silence him, lock him away behind stone or steel, but love cannot be imprisoned. Truth does not disappear. I look across the ocean from my small island home, and I see my brothers and sisters hurting, paying to live, paying to heal, while the rich call it freedom. That is not freedom. That is forgetting who we are. We are one breath, one blood, one heartbeat under God. The enemy is not our neighbour. The enemy is the fear that divides us. So I speak this with no hatred, only love. Remember his real name. Remember what he taught, that love is the law, that truth is the weapon, that unity is the miracle. Yeshua HaMashiach, salvation, still here, still breathing in us all.